Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me.
We're going to the mall because of snowstorm fire suspension, I guess. Lily, we're almost here, so yeah. Oh, we arrived. Alright, let's split up. Hooray. Oh, I gave my stuff to a poor girl because she was so excited. Oh, orange juice. Yum. Alright, let's buy new stuff. Okay, yoga ball. Mini yoga ball. Stretchy ring a yoga mat. Let's open these four. And a cylinder ding. Brick. Weights. And a glass scratcher. I can't find it. Oh, I found it already. Alright, let's just buy a dumbbell and the baton. Alright, let's go. Okay, beach ball, volleyball, floaty, and a towel. Okay, plushie time. 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Alright, it's time. Buy skincare and a luggage. Alright, we're done. Alright. We don't have a DS. You always wanted this. Ooh, real jewelry. Did I like it? Okay, of course. Drown. I want to drown. Me want ball pit. There's 500 balls in there. Alright, you want this one, right? Yeah. I like this mega dollhouse set. Alright, let's check out. Alright. 162? Wow. Ooh, this one's for the dollhouse. And this one's for the mega ball pit.